So there's a police out there, and we're not sure why. We hope we're not violating airspace. Valerie's leaving. Should we bring it back?
Yeah. Over here. Okay, I'm coming. Let me just get my drone in. Okay.
Why are we in trouble?
Okay, so today we are gonna head out and do some jeeping. We're gonna have an awesome time, so we're definitely looking forward to this. We're gonna try to use the drone.
We downloaded an app that allows us to go ahead and do a GPS, so the drone will follow us when we jeep.
And we're gonna see how that goes. Hopefully we don't crash it into the trees.
Or the river.
Or the river. River would probably be worse.
Yeah, I think so.
So,
we'll start out with some charcuterie, and maybe that'll help us like get in the zone for the drone.
Zone for the drone.
I'm not really sure how this is gonna work. We'll see. Hopefully no disasters. This has disaster written all over it.
I think I'm going to launch the
This is a
drone
really
off the front of my
fancy case
Jeep
that we have.
and let it hover out here.
Just
and
in case you were wondering.
Get a picture of us kind of going back and forth.
Open it up.
open.
Look at this.
So
Wow. That is called
Pay no attention to this.
fancy.
So
So we're about to launch the drone out here in the river, which I feel like is probably going to end in disaster, but we're not afraid. We're gonna just go ahead and be free.
thing, it's weird the way it kind of controls
Policeman is
backwards compared to what you think it should.
What's he doing? I don't know. I can look at him.
Okay.
There's a policeman right there. Maybe should we bring it back?
Yeah.
So there's a police out there, and we're not sure why. We hope we're not violating airspace. Valerie's leaving.
Over here. Okay, I'm coming. Let me just get my drone in. Okay.
Why are we in trouble? We're about to get a ticket for parking in the river.
I'm like, get down in the car and buckle up.
We're getting a ticket. See that guy in the background? We're getting a ticket.
What?
I told you.
Well, we listened to him. You guys just kept ignoring him.
I told you should have gone all the way over. I told him. He didn't
It's all the
listen.
drone's fault.
Yeah.
Well, better yet, it's all the
got me
tree's
a
fault.
I've seen people stopping there all the time,
yeah.
sitting in there. But
Well,
I guess
and I
they're
was
getting
stuck longer
picky.
because I was trying to get my freaking drone.
Yeah.
There's nowhere I can launch the drone from the other side. Because you've got the stupid trees, you know what I mean?
Every time we're
This is hilarious that Kevin's leaning on the inside of his truck.
really.
Kevin's like almost inside his vehicle. I would never even approach the vehicle, much less get in.
We're about to be in the bad and the busted.
Law, breaking the law.
We've never stopped in the river before.
We broke
I mean,
the
I think
rules.
that's all he does.
I wonder how much the ticket will be. So, no ticket. He likes us.
He likes Kevin.
Wow, crisis averted. No ticket for us.
I was very nervous.
I've never seen, I don't know that it's possible to get your seatbelt on as fast as she does. When we were kids, she used to be able to get dressed right under her pajamas and come out in a full prom dress. She engaged those skills again and got her seatbelt on and in her seat quickly. While Kevin said,
I'm coming. Let me just get my drone in.
to the officer.
Okay, so 3 really important things that I learned on this outing is, number 1, always, always, always read the signs and think about what they actually mean. Number 2, don't decide to take your brand new equipment out into the river to use it for the first time when you're really not that good with it. Number 3, don't tell the officer to hold on because you need to get your drone when he's giving you a command. So the moral of this story is, if you want to be free, you first have to stay free.